You know, if you're working on something, maybe I could help. I want to fight for the flag. I want to be a hero.
All we hear church people say, we are in this holy way.
God blessed us with these extraordinary heroes.
There are strange things happening every day. Every day.
There is a brighter future. All we need to do is take it.
There are